Ever walk into a garden store and leave with a cart full of stuff you never use? It's easy to get swept up by all the shiny tools and clever gadgets, especially when you're just starting out. You're not alone. New gardeners often spend more on what they don't need than what they actually do. The marketing can be overwhelming and it's hard to know what's truly necessary. Today, I'll show you the essential tools every beginner gardener needs, and what's just marketing fluff that wastes your money. Let's make sure you invest in things that actually help you grow. Gardening has been around for thousands of years. People have always found ways to grow food and flowers. Long before modern stores and gadgets existed, people grew entire harvests without $300 soil sensors or fancy gloves with claws. They relied on simple, sturdy tools and their own hands. So let's cut through the noise. You don't need a shed full of gadgets to get started. Here's what you actually need to get started: just a handful of basics that will serve you well for years. A good shovel or digging fork for preparing your soil and planting. These are your workhorses for turning earth and making space for roots. A hand trowel and pruners for small jobs and maintenance. The trowel is perfect for transplanting, while pruners keep your plants healthy and tidy. A watering can or hose with a gentle spray nozzle. How you water matters. Consistent, gentle watering helps your plants thrive and prevents damage. Quality soil or compost. Don't skimp here. Healthy soil is the foundation of every great garden, so invest in the best you can find or make. And finally, seeds or starter plants. Pick easy growers like lettuce, beans, or herbs. That's it. Start with a few varieties and learn as you go. With just these basics, you can grow real food and flowers. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with a simple setup. So what can you skip? Let's talk about the things that promise miracles but rarely deliver. Chemical instant grow fertilizers. They burn more gardens than they help. Natural compost and patience work better in the long run. Overpriced raised bed kits. A few simple boards or containers work just as well. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a productive space. And all those unnecessary gadgets, soil testers, moisture meters, plant food sticks, rarely improve your results. Most of the time your eyes and hands are the best tools you have. The truth is, gardening success doesn't come from owning everything in the garden aisle. It's about understanding the basics and building from there. It comes from learning your soil, your plants, and your climate. Observation and patience are your best teachers. Start simple, build confidence, and add only what you'll use. As your skills grow, you'll know exactly what tools are worth adding. So if you're just starting out, keep it simple. Focus on learning, not collecting. Get the essentials, skip the gimmicks, and let your garden teach you the rest. Experience is the best guide you'll ever have. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos on soil, composting, and beginner-friendly crops. There's always more to learn, and I'm here to help you grow. And remember, a simple start grows the strongest roots. Your gardening journey begins with just a few tools and a lot of curiosity.